Hi friends, welcome again to my channel. So in this video, I'll tell you what are subqueries in SQL. See, subqueries are the most important topic in SQL and they are very advantage, and there is a huge advantage of using these subqueries in our statements. Okay, so basically what is a subquery in SQL? So subquery is nothing but it is a select statement that is embedded in another select statement clause. For example, this is a statement that we have. In this we can see over here it is a query and it is another query that is embedded in the clause of this query, right? So we can simply term this query as it is a subquery. Okay, so it is nothing but a subquery. So subquery is nothing but it is a query that is embedded in another query. Okay, so if we talk about how this query will execute, okay, if we have written a statement like this, so how will this statement will be executed as there are two queries. Okay, so the way of execution of these kind of statement is that firstly the innermost subquery will be executed. Okay, like this first query. Okay, this query will be executed and the result of this query will be used as a condition value for this second query. Okay, and then this query will be executed. So this is what the execution process of these subqueries. Okay, now let us understand these subqueries with the help of an example. Here, this is an employee table consisting of three columns: employee ID, employee name, and salary. Let's suppose in this table we want to find the employees having salary less than Chris' salary. Okay, so in this case, firstly we will have to find what is the salary of Chris. Okay, because the salary of Chris is not mentioned in this query. So firstly we will find the salary of the Chris from this table and we'll use the result of that subquery as an search condition for finding the employees whose salary is less than that Chris's salary. So how would we write this query? So we will write it at like that. See, select ename, because we want to find the employee's name whose salary is less than Chris's salary. Here, from, so what is the table? It is an EMP table where salary less than. Now see, I've told you what is a subquery. It is a subquery that is written in between another query. Okay, so we will write over here a subquery. Okay, salary, in this we will use select salary from M, where here what is the name? That is a e name. Here e name is equals to Chris. Okay, so this is what a simple query, okay, that we will write to find those employees whose salary is less than the Chris's salary. Now firstly this subquery will be executed. Okay, now what will this query will return? It will return the salary of that employee whose name is Chris. Okay, that is 22,000. Now this 22 all the salaries of other employees will be compared with this 22,000, and those who are having salary less than 22,000 whose name will be selected with this query. Okay, so this is nothing but a subquery and this is the use of a subqueries in SQL.